All right, I am at a small thrift store in my hometown, and I am looking at what they have for dishware and some decor and some clothing, kind of just everything. So I enjoy going to thrift stores whenever I can make it back to my family's, and this is just a small volunteer-based thrift store. Prices are pretty good, and I just thought I would check out what they had available. So I'm looking at the kitchenwares right now, and there's just some cute kind of vintage vibed pieces, I suppose you would say. And this blue and green, or this mint green plate, I wasn't sure if that was $10 or if that was $4. I wasn't sure, but I did not pick it up. And then these apple plate set, 75 cents a plate, was really cute. That'd be a great fall plate. And then this fall set, these pumpkin mugs were 50 cents a piece, and just really adorable. And then the fruits of the harvest with the different harvested pieces on there were all 50 cents a piece too. So if you're really into the fall-esque theme, then that would have been a fun set to have. This piece of pottery, I wasn't sure if it was actually handmade or not, but it was just very unique with the florals on it in a very small opening. And then I looked at some wallpaper, probably some very old wallpaper. Each roll was $1.50, so that would have been a steal if you wanted to wallpaper. And it was a beautiful floral pattern. Baskets, the never-ending baskets. You really can't have too many baskets, especially if you use them correctly for storage or for regifting or for decorations with storage. So I always check out baskets. I thought while I was there I'd check out some of the women's sweaters because fall is approaching, and you'll see in my haul I did find one along with a nice dress as well, and I do not remember prices, so I think sweaters were like $1.50 or $1.25, dresses were like $3. These lampshades caught my eye, and they are very dusty and dirty, but $1 a piece for the dark green lampshades. I thought that was pretty affordable for the vintage-inspired lampshade. And then this woman, I don't know what she was reading, but it was just kind of a fun old print. And these vintage-looking little girl and boys dancing, and just a lot of cute artwork. I didn't pick up a whole lot, as you'll see, but you can watch my haul here. Alright, so as you saw, I did a little bit of thrifting in my hometown. I love the small town thrift stores. They're usually very reasonably priced, as you could see from some of the stickers. Other than the one blanket I had looked at, I really was thinking of purchasing, but it was $5, which seemed a little hefty for a blanket. But let me share my little haul with you, and there's maybe some ideas of what I'll do with these pieces. So first off is this 3-tier hanging basket, like a mail organizer. It is $1. And I thought this would be so cute for mail, like I said, either in our kitchen or in our little step entry going down to our washroom where we put our mail sometimes, or a friend had been looking for something for like outgoing mail, ingoing, or stuff coming in, need to take care of, whatnot. But it just has some fun detailing up here, and it's probably about 2 foot long by 6 foot wide. So just a cute little thing. You know, you could put flowers in here too or something. I don't know, it needs a little vacuuming out, but what a great fun find and wicker type basket organizer. Okay, you saw me look at these. I know these are trendy right now for like the cottage style, and I have a white lamp that I used to have up here, and I had a white lampshade. I was very into neutral white, I still am pretty neutral, but not quite as white. And I thought this green, this dark green lampshade was really cute. It's so dusty. So tips on keeping it less dusty, please, in the comments. I'm guessing, you know, a lint roller would work, or taking tape along it, something like that to help keep the dust off. But this was $1. So I'll potentially be putting the white lamp back up here on our side table with this green shade. This is pleated cloth lampshade, is, I thought, really adorable. All right, as many of you know, I do have a couple shelves in my husband's booth at an antique store. So he sells novelty toy items, and I put some antiques or vintage pieces, mainly vintage pieces. So milk glass for 50 cents, you can definitely put those in an antique store for much more than that. I used to collect milk glass and would line my kitchen shelves with them, and I just kind of got rid of them slowly as I wasn't really into them much. But for 50 cents, I will be putting this into my booth for $4 or $5. Okay, is it too soon? I don't know. It's August when I'm filming this. And so 25 cents for a really adorable snowman mug. And nothing really wrong with it. No chips or anything like that. It says let it snow. And so I thought, I got rid of my last mug because it had a chip out of it. So this will be a fun mug to be drinking from in the winter months. And I like snowmen or like winter scenes because they last all season long instead of, like, I'm not a huge fan of the Santa Claus, so, you know, a snowman lasts a little bit longer. Okay, 2 clothing pieces here. This is a Route 66. It says extra large, and I'm not an extra large, but maybe this is like a teen extra large. I thought this sweater would be great to go over some dresses. It's just a light, it's like a heather gray. Has a little cinch on the bottom of the sleeve there, and it has a slight little cut on the end, but I really thought this was such a cute sweater to go over dresses or wear with a skirt or jeans or something like that for, I don't know, it didn't have a price on it. I want to say it was $1 or $1.25 for their sweaters. All right, and then I did find another button-down dress. Being a nursing mama, I appreciate button-down. This says Gap denim, and so it is black, which is kind of fun. It's a partial button-down, honestly, just like the one I have on, but long sleeves, so perfect for the fall, winter months. Wear it with some brown boots, some tights, and I have a wonderful outfit for the day, and it's over my knees or about to my knees, so a perfect length for wearing. I don't know what the dress was, so all of this I paid like $7.25, so I probably could figure that out. It was probably $2 or so, but that thrift store does have really reasonable prices, and this was just something I thought would be fun to snatch up. And I like the pockets up here, you know, just a little bit more texture on the dress. And it's a snap button, so the one thing with snaps that I do worry about is that they would snap open. So I'll just have to keep track of that and make sure they stay closed, or wear a tank top underneath. Well, that is it for my haul. Very minimal, not a lot of thrifting, so kind of a shorter video for you, but I know you all enjoy seeing what I thrift for, what I find, what I put in my antique booth. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed, and I will talk with you in my next video.